of us will be discussing about various myths that we hear related to our spectacle wear or myths related to our eyesight. So do we all know what myths mean? Myth means a belief that we have been hearing every now and then, but those beliefs do not have any scientific base or evidence. So let's begin. The myth number 1 is wearing spectacles make you dependent on them. Well, is it really so? So when we wear spectacles, these spectacles corrections are actually what we need to have the improved vision that we must be having, and also to give our eyes comfort. So wearing spectacles will not worsen your eye or eyesight, or it will not cause you any eye disease. So wearing spectacle is a healthy habit. So we will come across this statement a lot of times that people tell you, when I was not having the spectacle correction in place, so that time I could see a certain distance very clearly, but now when I'm used to my spectacle, I'm not able to see this certain distance clearly by removing it. So the spectacle correction does not worsen your vision, as I said. It is just that you have become habitual with the improved correction that you're having. You're habitual with the improved vision that you're having. So it is just like in comparison to the television. If you are very used to watching the LED TV, would you like to have a look at the plasma TVs that we used before? The myth number 2 is squinting eyes or crossed eyes is a natural phenomenon. Well, it is not. So we should all keep this in mind, that squinting eyes can be a result of uncorrected refractive error, or it can be due to improper correction of refractive error, or also it can be a sign of amblyopia. So whenever you notice an eye turn in your children or in the young generation, please make it a point to visit an optometrist or an ophthalmologist. The myth number 3 is learning disabilities can be a result of poor vision. Well, yes. Poor vision can be mistaken for a child's learning disability. So please take your children for regular checkups, regular eye checkups, because poor concentration and a child's learning disability can be a result of his or her improper refractive correction or uncorrected refractive error. The next myth is eating carrots improve our eyesight. Well, eating carrots is a healthy habit because our eyes require this vitamin A which we get from carrots and green leafy vegetables, but these are very minimum. This will not reduce your power or extend your power. It is just for having a healthy eye. Last myth is sunglasses protect our eyes from sunlight. So regarding this topic, we will have a detailed discussion by another member of our team in the consequent videos, but for now let's know this, that sunglasses do not protect our eyes from sunlight until and unless they have a UV blocker inbuilt in them. So that's all for today.